Ford will be mass producing vehicles with full autonomy within 5 years. And that means there'll be no steering wheel, no gas pedals, and no brake pedals. A driver is not going to be required. And in fact, we see autonomous vehicles as having as significant an impact on society as Ford's moving assembly line did more than 100 years ago. So when we step back and we take a look how we can make the most difference in people's lives during the next 100 years, we see the autonomous car changing the way the world moves again. We see autonomous vehicles as having as significant an impact on society as Ford's moving assembly line did over 100 years ago. And that's why today we're announcing Ford's intent to have a high-volume SAE Level 4 fully autonomous vehicle in commercial operation in 2021 in a ride-hailing or ride-sharing service. Ford is going to be mass producing vehicles with full autonomy in 5 years. That means there's going to be no steering wheel, there's not going to be a gas pedal, there's not going to be a brake pedal, and of course, a driver is not going to be required. We're announcing today that we're expanding our presence right here in Silicon Valley from that single research and innovation center building right across the way there to the creation of an entire campus with the addition of these two buildings behind me. It is incredibly, incredibly exciting because our plan is to double our staff by the end of next year, and we are so thrilled to be attracting some of the best engineers, technologists, researchers, and also designers to complement the already strong team that we have at Ford here, but also around the world. We're also announcing today that we're investing in several companies and partnership as we move towards autonomous vehicle production in 2021. First, We're investing in Velodyne, the world's LiDAR leader, to quickly mass produce the advanced and critically important sensors that help autonomous vehicles navigate on their own. We're also acquiring Sipes, a computer vision and machine learning startup that's based in Israel, and they'll play a key role in image and video processing, object detection, signal processing, and deep learning capabilities to help autonomous vehicles learn about their surroundings. We're also forming an exclusive licensing agreement with neuroscientist Dr. Sheila Nierenberg at Nierenberg Neuroscience. And this is incredible. She's actually developed a device for restoring sight to patients with degenerative eye diseases by cracking the neural code that the eye uses to transmit visual information to the brain. And now, Dr. Nierenberg is working with us to help bring more human-like intelligence to Ford's autonomous vehicles and helping them see the world around them. And we're investing in Civil Maps, helping us develop 3D high-resolution maps of our autonomous vehicle surroundings. So these 4 new partnerships build on the recent Ford investment in Pivotal, which is helping us accelerate the software to support autonomous vehicles.
It's our intention to have a fully autonomous, level 4 capable vehicle with no driver controls, commercially available in a ride-hailing service starting in 2021. Where we see the greatest opportunity is where we're able to remove the driver from responsibility of driving altogether. SAE levels 4 and 5. It, and only it, holds the promise of extending mobility to millions of people, young and old, that aren't currently served by an affordable form and accessible form of transportation. It opens the door for us, as Ford Motor Company, for all new mobility services that could contribute to our core business and drive new avenues of revenue. We're now significantly down the road in developing the hardware and software or the virtual driver platforms, and by the end of this year, we'll have tripled our development fleet of level 4 autonomous vehicles, making it the largest fleet of any automaker. And next year, we're tripling it again. So our investment in Velodyne will help us move quickly towards mass production of a more affordable automotive-grade LiDAR sensor. Our acquisition of Sipes enhances our computer vision capabilities and machine learning capabilities. And their capabilities are going to help us deliver solutions around object identification, around advanced visualization systems, and even self-diagnostics and automatic calibration of our sensors to help us improve performance and accuracy. Combined with the machine learning algorithms, Dr. Nierenberg's technology could ultimately help us scale up the autonomous vehicle to operate in areas where the 3D maps may not be available. And finally, Civil Maps. 3D maps that help provide a foundation of knowledge about the roads that our autonomous vehicle reference to make decisions. They've developed an innovative process to apply artificial intelligence to create this meaningful map information. And that facilitates the ability to crowdsource that data, to update and share road data, and real-time transmit it across a network of our autonomous vehicles.